guys, Union Pacific Omaha here, and today we're back again looking at more stuff. Now this is my third or fourth time doing this unboxing HO stuff in the past like 2 months or so. I've been getting a lot of stuff, I've had money to spend, and I've had trains that I've wanted to buy. So I took another trip to House of Trains today and picked up a few things. Some of these I already had, I just needed some more stuff to make a video out of it. Excuse me. So we're going to get right into this. So we're going to start small. So I got this from Amazon. It came directly from one of the hobby shops. So I'm going to move the camera a little closer now. There we go. Okay, so I got, this is a 48 foot JB Hunt intermodal car, container. So I only have one 48 car, and I just needed one more container to make it a complete set. So I did. So I picked up this was like 10 bucks on Amazon with shipping too. So it's a pretty good deal. So yeah, nice little container. Next container we have is another JB Hunt one, but this is Scale Trains Operator. This one was Walthers, I believe. And I picked this one up today for, as you can see, 10 bucks from House of Trains. So I haven't unboxed any of this stuff yet, besides the building to the left. We'll get to that. So let's open this up and see what it's all about. So this is obviously Operator, which, especially when it's coming to containers and stuff like that, little extra things, I'm going to spend the least amount of money that I can. So I'm trying to build up a Union intermodal train, so I need just a few more containers. So this is going to add to the fleet. So let's take a look. So nice JB Hunt intermodal there. Says JB Hunt here. Just a fairly nice little intermodal container. I don't know why you would need an operator or a rivet counter one. This is about, I mean, mine, they don't need to be very detailed. Having them really basic is just fine with me. So, 2 JB Hunt intermodals. Next we have some track. This is Atlas Code 100 track. So, the reason I have this is because the Bachmann Easy Track is too wide to fit in the stalls of this building, which is a engine facility building. It's too wide, and it would be too tall for the locomotives to be able to get in there. So I had to get some non-ballasted track, so that's what I did. I tried to pull the track out of the ballast from the Bachmann, but it was just kind of being a pain. It would just break it. So with that being said, let's get into the 2 cars we have back here. And I haven't unboxed these, so I'm pretty excited. So we have a USLX box car from Atlas, and this was only $15 used. So I really like their used stuff, so let's take a look at what this car is all about. Okay, get the box out of the way. Okay, move that. Alright, so this is a fairly nice box car. Not the most detail in the world, and that's fine with me, but it looks like it'll just be a nice little box car to have, switching around the yard and stuff like that. So, nice box car. I need some more of these, so that's always nice. So, move that to the side. Move that. Next, we have Chicago Northwestern covered hopper. Now, last time I was at House of Trains, I saw this, and I'm like, well, and my mom liked it, so she's the one who spotted it, and I'm like, well, that's a pretty nice car. I'm gonna have to pick that up in the future. So, came back, and that's exactly what I did. And lately, I've been seeing a lot of these old CNW hoppers on local trains, not this color, in the green, but I thought this was just a cool looking hopper car, so I decided to pick it up. It was $26, so not the cheapest. I could have gotten Walthers mainline one, not this color obviously, but I really like this car. I think the paint job looks really cool, but I like the Chicago Northwestern. So this is a cool car to pick up. So 2 cars. I spent about $65 today on the track, the intermodal container, and those 2 freight cars. So I'm gonna move my Walthers mainline ES44. I'm gonna move him. Oop, caught him a little on the edge. We're gonna move him there, and next we're gonna look at the big piece. This is an engine facility building, and I've been needing one of these for a while, so I finally have one. This was like $15 on Amazon. I ordered it like December 20th, and it got here about a week ago. Of course, it came from China. But it got here faster than I expected, and there was no instructions, but it was really easy to put together. just kind of snap everything into place. And so that's gonna make me happy. So let's open up this track and see how good the track's gonna fit inside of the facility. So there's 3 stalls, but unfortunately I don't have the room for that, so I'm gonna have to have just 2 tracks, 1 track here, 1 track there, with the way where I'm gonna set this up at. So so it's gonna be a little weird, but I guess the middle one can be for like trucks or something. So here's one piece of track, fits in just nice, can go right in the middle, it'll fit in nice, and another. So that's gonna look good. So now let's put my ES44 on one of these pieces of track and then slide it in. Alright. So for those of you who didn't know, I pretty much just got this locomotive and I'm very happy with it. So if anyone's looking to buy ES44 AC for a good value with sound, I do recommend this locomotive. Oop, getting caught a little bit, these ties. Oop, derailed my own locomotive on a weird piece of track. Okay. Yep, just like that. Fits in just fine. And the rear end of him is, here, I'll move this. So the rear end of him is right there. Just move it back. I'm uneven. What am I hitting it on? Oh, I'm a little bit to the left, too far. So as you can see, one locomotive, 1 6-axle mainline unit, fits in just pretty well. So this is going to be a cool building to add. So thank you all so much for watching. Union Pacific Omaha, out.